Hello friends, welcome back to QGIS Basics. Today we will learn editing of attribute table and data entry, copy one column data to another column, editing tool of digitization, snapping tool and grouping of layers. You will thinking I skip this setting of symbology. I will make a separate video for this because this is a broad chapter, so we will discuss about this in later videos. So first let's load the data. Just click on QGIS basic data. I have Jharkhand state data, one of state of India, and these are the shapefiles. I'm going to load shapefile. Just click on shapefile and drag it to canvas, and you can see this a canvas or a map. This is our map area, and you can add by this way also. This is railway shape. Just double click on it and you will see it here. Just add one more point layer. This is our point layer. So today we will learn how to layer and how to edit attribute data and how to fill attribute data in existing layer. So this is our road layer. So I will click here and just get the information of this road. This is the road from here to here, and this is a tertiary road. It has name blank and reference blank. Just open the attribute form to enter the data. Now you will see these fields are not highlighted, so we have to select this road and click this toggle editing button. Once click on toggle editing button, you will see the form rows are highlighted. Now you can fill the road name. So this is a Rajaram Road, and reference number is, suppose it is SH32. So I'll fill the road name and reference number to SH32, and maximum speed is 40 and click OK. I will see the data I have entered is visible here. You can save this by just clicking here on save button, and you can turn off editing. I just filled this data and I want to remove this. Just turn on the toggle editing button and click this one and click this one and OK. Now there are two ways to save the data. One is to click on save button, or other is toggle editing. Once you click toggle editing, it will ask for to save data or discard or cancel. Just save. I just remove this data which I have entered in this road. So this is how you can edit the data. Now I'll tell you one more thing, identification of a feature. Just click on identify result. As you see, I am able to identify roads and place also. You may not be able to identify this because in identify result column here you have layer selection. If I select current layer selection, then I am only able to identify the road layer, only road layer. I can identify only road. I am not able to identify this point. I select place, then I able to identify this layer, but I am not able to identify other layers. So if you identify all layers, just select layer selection. If I click here, it will select road and railways layer also. So this is how you can select layers. If you want to see the attribute, in earlier video I had mentioned in a card above, you can see there also. There are two ways to open the attribute table. One, right click on roads, open attribute table. Here you can see this is the attribute table, and by clicking here You can also open the attribute table, and by pressing F6 function keys you are able to open the attribute table. So there are three ways how to open an attribute table. Now I have opened this attribute table. It has 20,375 features, total features in road layer, and I want to see only these layers. So there is a method in attribute table, so you can only which are visible on this map canvas. So you have to select feature visible on map. Now you able to see only these layers. 96 features are visible which are on canvas. Another thing, if I select by select tool, if I select this road and this one more, this one, I have selected three features of road. So I want to enter data in these three, or I want to see attributes of only these three roads. Then how can you see? Just click F6 to open attribute table and select show selected features. Now you will see these roads are selected and you are able to see only these roads attribute table. This is the data of only three features. This is how you can see. So I am deselecting it. So you understand. There are other options also. These are the show all layer features, show selected features, show feature visible on map, show editing and new feature, and advanced filter also. This is the layout in table view, and you can switch to form view also. This is form view. You can see form. If I click toggle editing button here also and toggle editing button here also, then it will be editable. You can edit this layer. So this is how you can do. Now in some situations in attribute table you get data from somewhere else, or you have filled in another column and you want to transfer it to other column. Suppose I want to transfer this tunnel column to another column or existing column. You can do this, but I don't want to disturb this pre-filled data, so I'll create a new column and I will transfer this tunnel data to another column. So I just create a field for that. Suppose I will new tunnel name and it's a text string. I just give a one length because it have only one character. So you will see new field is created here. Just click on save button, save here, and here is toggle editing also. So this is now I want to transfer the data of tunnel to new tunnel. So select new tunnel and in front of expression select the old column. This is old column and this is a new column. Just try for by selecting if single row and click update selected. Now you will see it will transfer successfully. Now you can transfer all data or whatever you want. You can select by using select also. If you want to transfer only this much of data, you can click on update selected. If you want to fill all data, then update all. You will see this all data is transferred into new tunnel. You can deselect it. This is the deselect button and you can click save. Now the data in new column is saved. You can also use the expression also here. If I click toggle editing, you can use a expression also. If I want to replace, just I'll tell you one more. This is not belongs to this topic, but it is of advanced type. Suppose I want this change to true. So what I have to do, just select new tunnel and go to and type a replace function here. replace. Here you have to define the column name, new tunnel, comma, old value, comma, new value, this one, and click OK. If you click update all F converted to T, means false to T. If I want to only just select these two rows and click on update selected, you will see this will replace the F with T. So you can do this with replace function. This is how you can use replace function. You can also use another functions also. There is a huge expression list in QGIS. This is how you can manipulate your attribute table. Now we will going to learn digitizing tools and snapping tools. So I'm just going to remove these layers and create new layers, or I'll load the data I have already created. These are the lines, this is the point layer, and this is the polygon layer. So just putting it down, polygon to downside. So this is the line. Just click on toggle editing button and you will have a digitization toolbar here. You can add a line or this one. Just for this is advanced digitizing tool, and one more is I'm just open the snapping toolbar. I'll tell you later here about the snapping toolbar. First go with this layer. So I'm just turning off this. If I want to place one line, just click and this one. You can fill the values here and OK. This is how you draw a simple line. But if you want some advanced features, so just turn on the advanced tool. Just activate this advanced digitizing tool. Just clicking here. I just want to draw a line. Start from here. Just click here and you will see that this is activated. So if I want to draw a line of 500 meter and angle of 90 degree and lock this, just 500 and this is 90 and lock this, you will see here from this point it will lock to 500 meter and 90 degree. So this is 90 degree. I just click here. Now it had drawn this line, and you can draw another line also only by viewing the advanced digitizing toolbar and just do this. If I want to add 1000 distance line and at minus 90 degree or 0 degree, you can do this from here, or just do here, type here 1000, lock it, and it's minus 90 degree. Then you will see this is, oh, I haven't locked this. Let's lock this. You will see it will lock here, and you can click, just click, single click, not here only, you can click here also. You will get this line. This is how the advanced digitizing tool works. The same for polygon also. Just right click and finish. Okay, you have this line. Similarly, you can draw the polygon also, a square also. And now I'll tell you one more thing, snapping toolbar. This is our snapping toolbar. If I activate this snapping toolbar, this will have these options. This is snapping to all layer, active layer, or advanced configuration. This is snapping to vertex, segment, or area. This is the point of snapping, and this is the snapping layers. Here you can define the tolerance. This is enable topographical editing. This is snapping allow overlap, avoid overlap on active layer, follow advanced configuration, snapping at intersection, enable tracing, and if self enable is enable, snapping will also take current state of the digitizing feature into the consideration. So let's start with this. Just draw a line, new line. I'm just drawing a new line. I'll just turn off this advanced. Yes. Oh. It will snapping here. It is snapping to this layer. It can snap to another layer also because I have selected all layers. If I snap only to line layer, then it will only snap to line layer. And as I selected here vertex, it will snap on the vertex. Here it is the vertex. It snap here, snap here, here also, and to another line layer. Look at this. You can only snap here also, and snap. Just this is how snapping on vertex of the current layer. Now I want to draw another line and want to snap on this segment, so I have to activate the segment also. This is segment. Now you can see it is snapping to all segment, full segment. You can draw, you can snap anywhere. It will not snap to vertex only, it will snap to full layer. This is how you use the vertex and segment. If I turn off this and click on centroid and draw a new line, it will only snap to centroid of that line. It's not working here. The centroid is not here. Its centroid is something here. This is the centroid of above line, and the centroid of this line is here. This is how you can snap. Now just remove these lines. I don't want to save. Just remove all the lines by clicking select and press the delete button. Now all layers all features of line are deleted. I am just creating a new line. Just save this. Again toggle editing. Just open the polygon. I want to draw a line from start from here and snap to this, to this, and to this, and to this. These vertex. So there is a way. Draw a line. Okay. Select all layer. Snap to vertex only. This one. I'll draw a line from here. I'm just turning off this. It will snap to the vertex. I click on this vertex, click on this vertex, and click on this vertex, and this. Now as I turn off the polygon, you will see this is the line drawn from here to here. I know the vertex from here, 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 here. If I have vertex some more vertex here, then there will be some displacement in here. So I'll tell you one thing once again. Just save it. I'm just manipulating this polygon layer and adding a vertex to here, and just this one. Now save this. I'll draw a line here. What happened here? You will see. Just start, snap on this, snap on this, snap. Oh, just click backspace to remove this vertex. Here, 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 and here. Just click. Now my lines draw similar to as I draw above, but I turn off the polygon and you will see the difference here. I have not given this vertex for snapping, so this can be a error in GIS. This can be error. This is a GIS not overlapping. And how it can be, just we will do this. Just delete this line. I'm just deleting this line and click delete and save it. Now draw another line, but for this, how to do this, I'm just activating the tracing option in the snapping toolbar. Just draw a line from here, click here and just click on this vertex. You will see a line draws here, and just click and click. Just turn off the polygon. Now you will see that I had clicked one vertex here and vertex here. It will automatically creates the shape according to the polygon we have, and this also creates the vertex of polygon here. We had generated a vertex here in polygon, so the referencing layer from which you are snapping or tracing the layer will have the same vertex to the reference layer. As many as vertex in polygon from this point to this point, line also have the same vertex here. I'll draw a line. Just draw a line and intersect this. This is the intersection of this line. There is no vertex, only centroid is there, but no vertex. So I'm just turning off centroid and only vertex here. The only vertex here. So I want to draw a line, but I want to have a snap here also. So for this we have to activate this intersection option also here, and just draw a line. You will see it will take automatically. If I turn off this intersection, it will not take any snapping point here. So I click this, activate this intersection option, and now you can have a vertex here, and you will find not any vertex here in this line. So now you have vertex here. If I just click on select, you will see this is the vertex, and if I select this line, this not have any vertex here, and this line which we have drawn is have the vertex. So I hope you understand how this work. Similarly, you can place a point on vertex or segment. If I want to place some points, just turn off these, place point on vertex here. Similarly, same thing you can do this. If I turn on segment, then you can place the point feature on segment anywhere. It will snap to segment. If you zoom in, then it has accurate snapping with line segment. And if you want to put it at an intersection, already have a snapping here, just draw a line. I'm just drawing a line. Just turn off this, just drawing a new line. I just cross these lines. Okay, here on this line has only two vertex, one is here and one is here, but I want to put the point feature on these intersections. Select the point, place, and just turn on the intersection option, and you will see, and just turning off the segment also, you will see this intersection and this intersection. This is how you can do the point placement at snapping. If you want to move these points, I want to move this point to this place, then you can just select this move feature and copy feature. You can move and copy, both you can done by this tool, move and copy of feature. Hope you understand. So that's all in this video. We have learned how to edit layer, how to edit attribute table, how to view attribute table, and snapping options in digitizing toolbar. So in this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and save this playlist and bookmark this playlist so that you can easily get my videos as I make videos for you. Thank you for watching.